Undercharging for your courses? Make more money from your membership's beautiful courses in minutes. One of the biggest problems with membership website is the creator's focus on features, not a customer's user experience. It's costing course creators money and leading to lower course completion and less success within their students. There is nothing more important when you're creating a course on the internet than student results. That's why Memberapp is here to completely shake up an old and tired membership software industry. Memberapp started by thinking of customer experience first. They recruited the top UI and UX professionals to create 3 highly tested and proven course themes that provide students with a friendly and comfortable learning experience. Each theme looks amazing and helps your courses to stand out above the rest. If you want to trample on your competition and create better looking courses that your students love to access, then go here now and take a closer look at Memberapp. It includes a wide range of other benefits. However, this particular feature really stood out for me, and that's why I wanted to tell you about it.